Films video, and today I'm just going to be showing off all my fireworks and basically my haul. So starting off, the big one, I got the sword. Fuse is all the way at the end there, and you just light the fuse and it'll do something. Don't really know much about that. Then we have two hens or chickens up there, so basically like you light it off and it's supposed to lay eggs or something. Then you have wedding party poppers. Threw those in there, 50 cents, whatever. Then you have sparks, tubes, that's what they call them. We got the big version and the small version, 4 each. We have poppers. Those are probably going to be used for like movies, for like gun sound effects more than anything. This bolt of blue, cake. Oh, I didn't. It's going to do something. I don't know if it's a cake or not. I don't know much about fireworks, but you bolt of blue, 2 gold sparklers, Super Dragon 48 shot, cake, cone up there. And then we have a pack that comes with 2 sparklers, a tank, some firecrackers in there, whatever that is, another cone, whatever that is, and golden flowers. Firecrackers, 8 tanks, poppers, and Cascada Con Crackling is what they're called. They're firecrackers. So yeah, see you tonight when I light them off.
What did that do, Jamie? Is it jumping back? What? Oh. Excalibur!